Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to create a partition in Windows 10 or 11 PC. Now the first thing we want to do is go to File Explorer here, and you'll see here this PC, and we currently have one drive. This is C, and let's say we want to create a second drive. We can also create multiple if we wish, but let's just add one for now. What we need to do is press the Windows key and R on our keyboard and type out disk mg mt.msc. Now let's press enter. This brings up the disk manager. So here we can see a healthy system portion, the Windows C drive, and a healthy recovery partition. What we need to do is we need to highlight our C drive here, right click, and select Shrink Volume. Now, depending on the speed of your internet, this may take a few minutes. I'll speed this process up. Here we are. So what we need to do here is enter the amount of space to shrink in megabytes. Is enter the amount of megabytes we want our new drive to be. So 1000 megabytes equals 1 gigabyte. So if you want 5 gigabytes of space, for instance, you want to enter 5000 megabyte. 6000 megabyte if you want a 6 gig hard drive. Let's add a 4 gigabyte hard drive. So let's select 4000 like that. Then you want to press shrink here. Again, this may take a few moments, could even take a few minutes. Mine was pretty quick this time, and you can see now unallocated here. So now with this new unallocated section here, what we've just created, we need to format it so we can create it into our partition. So let's highlight it, right click, and select New Simple Volume. As you can see here, this wizard helps you create a simple volume on a disk. A simple volume can only be on a single disk. To continue, click Next. So let's click Next. We want a 4 gigabyte hard drive, so we'll leave it at 3999. Always takes one off, so that's something to keep in mind. So let's press Next. Now here you can assign a letter to it. We'll leave it at D this time. Let's press Next. Here we want to select the file type. Make sure you select the right one for your needs. It's normally NTFS, which stands for New Technology File System. We can usually leave allocation unit size as default and the volume label as new volume. You can change the new volume if you wish. I normally keep it as this. Then let's select Next. This will give you a rundown what you're creating. We then want to press Finish. There you go. The new volume has been created. We can X that away now. Let's go and have a look at this PC from my computer, and there you have it, your new volume ready to use, and you've successfully created a partition in Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now if you ever want to delete this volume, check out this video here where I'll show you how to do it. However, if you found this video helpful, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.